Can't you speak English? Then start learning English in this way. Then you will learn to speak English quickly. To speak English, you need to know small English sentences which are used daily in our real life. So today I will teach you 60 daily used English sentences. These will help you to speak English very quickly. So let's start today's class. Somebody came. Somebody came. Was John there? Was John there? I can beat you. I can beat you. It's hot today. It's hot today. John swims well. John swims well. Ask again later. Ask again later. Are you doctors? Are you doctors? Go back inside. Go back inside. I have not eaten. I have not eaten. I was careless. I was careless. I am just joking. I am just joking. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. They all screamed. They all screamed. Like or comment if you like the video and subscribe our channel to get new English videos regularly. I heard you scream. I heard you scream. I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep. I will be present. I will be present. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? How far is Mumbai? How far is Mumbai? I don't care. I don't care. I only have $10. I only have $10. I would like to send a fax. I would like to send a fax. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. Is this your book? Is this your book? Just a moment. Just a moment. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. On the first floor. On the first floor. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. Is that enough? Is that enough? It's over there. It's over there. More than 100 miles. More than 100 miles. Please call me. Please call me. I have come to bother you. I have come to bother you. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. Give me 2 glasses of water. Give me 2 glasses of water. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? When are you going? When are you going? Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? Are you coming tonight? Are you coming tonight? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Here's my number. Here's my number. How much does it cost per day? How much does it cost per day? I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to do. I was at home then. I was at home then. I am 5 feet 10 inches. I am 5 feet 10 inches. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? It's less than $9. It's less than $9. He studies computer science. He studies computer science. Pardon me. Pardon me. Need anything else? Need anything else? It will arrive shortly. It will arrive shortly. It's too late. It's too late. No, it's okay, thanks. No, it's okay, thanks. She is pretty. She is pretty. That looks great. That looks great. They will return now. They will return now. What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? What's in it? What's in it? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where's the nearest hospital? Where's the nearest hospital? Be quiet. Be quiet. Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.